Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about ventilating for beginners, how to ventilate, and we're going to start with single knot method. All right, so this is my lace and I'm securing it properly to my mannequin head with these T-pins, and you can also use regular office pins as well. So you want to make sure that all the sides are properly laid down, no loops, no bumps anywhere. Yeah, and this helps you to ventilate properly. So this is me, I'm done, and this is the ventilating needle I'm using this one with the wooden hand. I like this one because it's very light and it doesn't leave any dents on my fingers. All right, so off to ventilating. So now you pass the needle through one of the holes on the net, and then you make sure the L-shaped part is pointed away from you. All right, then you cross the hairs together and you pull out. So there is a barb on the ventilating needle that helps capture the hairs when you're ventilating. All right, just like I'm doing now. You cross it, and then there's a loop that it forms. You just now pass the needle and pass the ventilating needle through the loop with the remaining hair. I hope this video makes it very understandable and easy for you to start your ventilating journey. Ventilating is very easy. It's a lovely art, a lovely craft. And once you understand the art of ventilating, then you're good to go. So like I said earlier, this method is the single knot method. So it's one of the easiest and fastest way of ventilating because you're just knotting once. There is no big deal to it. It's very simple. And so I'm going to let you watch the rest of this video so that you can understand properly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below if you have any confusions. So this is the end result. The knots are very tiny, they are almost invisible, and that is one of the advantages of single knot method. And yeah, thanks for watching.